We are Water Saviour from the Taiwan Water Corporation. Our mission is to detect pipelines water leakage. When there is a leakage on road, it's easy to see and report. However, reported leakages are only 10% of all leakages. 90% are unreported. They are not found and repaired until they burst. Can you imagine how much water will be wasted if we don't take actions? According to the World Bank report, 30 billion water is lost worldwide per year. That's enough for Wellington City to use 1,000 years. How about Wellington's? That's 10 Olympic swimming pools water lost per day. Why we care about water loss? Yes, because it costs us a lot. Worst water loss costs 8 billion NZ dollars per year. So how could we reduce pipelines water leakages? We are working with 5 cities in Taiwan and the Wellington Water, Palmerston North City Council here to discover the most important challenges. We have learned they do desire a cost-effective new technology to enhance their capability so they can detect and repair their water leakage more efficiently and effectively. Do you know how could we find underground leak? Listen in detecting that doctor auscultation, step by step on road is required to pinpoint the leaking spot. This takes much time and requires professional staff to carry out. We have a solution for them. Simply plug existing SCADA system in our cloud service. Flow and pressure data collected from on-site sensors can be a big help. With our machine learning and data science solution, leakage can be discovered and reported by our system automatically, efficiently, and accurately. Compared with traditional way of using manpower to deal with complex data, computer can do much faster and smarter. Further up, our solution can help prioritize leak repair with your options. Are you worried about having too many leaks and not knowing where to start? Don't worry. We will tell it to help you prioritize which leakage should be repaired first. With our technology, we can narrow down 80% underground leak checking area. That is, reduce 80% manpower. This can dramatically decrease time and cost. I'd like to share you a true case. Our system applied to 5 cities in Taiwan, started last June. So far, we were able to detect 33 leakages with 100% accuracy, save the water worth 2 million NZ dollars. Where has water shortage? There is our target market. As I mentioned earlier, save the value of water loss, 8 billion. It's amazing, not only for market, but also for the better earth. We are developing an innovative solution with the help of Creative HQ that will solve a worldwide problem. Our team has a solid background of water loss management, data science, and big data. We have Jamin, Chen, Wikin, and me, Jason. If you are interested in finding out more about our project, please come and talk to me. Thank you.